Bukod sa glitz and glamour, napuno rin ng revelations and unexpected collabs ang GMA Gala 2025. Mula sa relationship status updates hanggang sa royalties sa interaction. Silipin yan sa chika ni Athena Imperial.
Hindi lang napuno ng ningning ang GMA Gala 2025. It was also a night full of revelations at much-awaited reunions and rarely seen interactions. Si Barbie Forteza mag-isang lumakad sa blue carpet. At the end of the night, spotted siyang ka-holding hands si Jameson Blake na dati nang na-link sa kanya.
Saan na kayo pupunta, Barbie?
Hindi, babalik ako.
Dati nang sinabi ni Barbie na good friends at isa sa running buddies niya si Jameson na makakasama niya rin soon sa isang movie. May big revelation naman ang blooming na si Bea Alonzo. Sa exclusive interview ng GMA Integrated News, kinumpirma niya ang real score sa pagitan nila ng businessman na si Vincent Ko.
I think it's very obvious, yeah, that we're together, yes.
And you're happy?
Yeah, yes, I'm very happy. And I think that's all I can share. Feeling ko, na-witness yun na kasi lahat ng mga ups and the downs of my love life. I really understand the curiosity, but I think I don't want to say people ruin beautiful things, but I think the most beautiful things are the ones that are kept private. And I'd like to keep it that way.
Ang isa pang confirmed na nasa dating stage, ang co-star ni Bea sa Widow's War na si Carla Abellana.
I've said it naman na before na parang it's about time I open myself to dating, meeting new people. So I decided to try it. Yes, there's a second date. So we'll see if there's gonna be more dates. Diba? So for now, yes.
First GMA Gala together naman ni na Anthony Constantino at Shuvi Etrata. Nabighani raw si Anthony when she saw Shuvi in her white gown last night.
Without a doubt, Shuvi is already beautiful as is. But when I saw her in her dress, I was really just starstruck, just like the rest of the world, honestly. Hopefully not, yes. Hopefully not our last. Praying for that.
Mag-pray ka talaga dyan.
Bukod sa revelations, hindi rin binigo ng stars ang kanilang fans sa mga crossover interactions. Present din siyempre ang PBB Celebrity Collab Edition co-housemates ni Shuvi. Si River Joseph spotted na may chill convo with ex-house guest and pambansang ginoo David Licauco. Mas lumabas din ang kakulitan ni Will Ashley habang kasama ang co-housemates. May makulit ding collab si Will at Cup of Joe vocalist Gian Bernardino. Time out muna ang Dusby dahil SB? Photog mode muna si Dustin ni Bianca and Esnir na slay sa kanilang pag-post. Mga Diyosa in one frame naman sina Showtime hosts Vice Ganda and Ann Curtis with Kapuso star Heart Evangelista. May gorge and fab interaction din sina Kapuso primetime queen Marian Rivera and global fashion icon Heart Evangelista. Athena Imperial updated sa Showbiz Happenings.